G'day, legends. Time to give these beauties some proper custom graphics. Yeah. Right, let's see what we're working with here. These panels need some serious darker character.
Getting the design right is crucial, mate. Want something that screams adventure?
Clean surface is everything. Can't have bubbles ruining this masterpiece. Easy does it. This graphic is going to look absolutely mental.
Second bike getting the same treatment. These are going to be twins of terror.
Bloody beautiful. These bikes are ready to tear up the trails in style.
That's a wrap, legends. Hit that subscribe button and we'll see ya on the trails.